Welcome to Country Christmas. We have to start with the most magnificent part of this tree. There are two trees in Country Christmas, and right now we're looking at the stable. And of course, you'll see right away why it's popular, why we have it in our tree, and why it is a bestseller for this season as our new products. It's lighted, it has the Holy Family on the inside. This is an incredible part of Country Christmas. Now, the other ornaments that we're going to see are all animal themed. You're going to see them throughout the tree. We have several cows. We have some lambs on here. We have some cows that are painted onto glass ornaments that are incredible. And we even have some deer standing on a glass ornament out in front of one of our barns. We have some disc ornaments here. The reason I'm giving you the rundown of all the different ornaments because there are so many ornaments on this tree that so many of them are selling that they're all as a group, as a whole, doing very well and trending for this tree recipe, but it's a kind of a mixed thing. You kind of pick up different animals that you favor. The other thing on this tree that's selling very, very well is this plaid ribbon. So we have a couple of different ribbons that are woven into this tree, but this plaid ribbon is doing phenomenally. And I think part of it is because of the choice of the green colors. We look at the back of this ribbon. It is a wired one, two-sided. You can do many different things with it. And of course, I always like it when they curl the ribbons and you can kind of see a little bit of the color on the background as well as the top. This ribbon is doing wonderfully in Country Christmas. We do have two trees in Country Christmas, and so now we're going to slide over to our other designer tree and show you the top selling ornaments there. Our second tree in Country Christmas has 4 distinct ornaments that are trending hot right now. First one I want to show you is this barn scene, and it is laser cut. It is 3-dimensional. So we have our little fence out front. We have little accents on that. That's all put together nicely. You even have your silo in the background, and that's one of the reasons this is a hot ornament off of this tree. The next one I want to show you is this new little tree ornament, and this is a fabric ornament with a very soft green, and this is kind of a wool or a felted fabric that is here. Is kind of squishy, but this ornament right here is doing very well. The next one is also laser cut. It is a large snowflake, but this snowflake's a little different than the ones you usually see. You usually see a laser cut all white snowflake. This one is showing us the natural wood across its face and is white on the sides. The next set of ornaments that are selling the best out of this entire tree are the disc ornaments, and we have cousins on these disc ornaments. This is the first one, and it says the first snow of winter. It is lined in black around the edge, and of course disc ornaments are always doing well for us here at Melrose. The second one is here, and this is our cow, and isn't she beautiful? That is a beautiful cow for Country Christmas, and this ornament and its cousin are doing great right now, trending out of Dallas and here at Atlanta. I have a bonus for you here in Country Christmas. The other item that is doing very, very well is our new fuzzy little guy. He's a reindeer, and he's not in the tree. Well, he's not supposed to be. He's supposed to be sitting over on the table. But if I'm going to tell you what are the top items out of Country Christmas for your tree recipe, do not forget your reindeer.